Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E7i Power, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable autocorrection on this device. First of all, you need to access device's settings. Now scroll down and choose System. Then Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Keyboard. Over here you need to click on Text Correction options and scroll down. Now click on the switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see, autocorrection is now disabled. You can enable it by clicking at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!